Hello everyone, today I will show you how to limit Clipchamp storage usage on your PC. And here's how it is done. Clear cache and temporary files. Clipchamp stores temporary files during editing, which can take up a lot of space. To free up storage, regularly clear the cache. Open Clipchamp and go to Settings or Preferences, depending on the version. Look for an option like Clear Cache or Clear Temporary Files and click on it. Delete unused projects. Clipchamp may keep old or unused projects on your PC, taking up space. Go to the Projects tab within Clipchamp. Locate the projects you no longer need and delete them. You can also delete media files that are no longer in use by going to your media library in Clipchamp and removing them. Store files in the cloud. Clipchamp offers cloud storage for projects. Instead of saving large video files on your PC, consider saving your projects and media to the cloud if you are subscribed to a plan that supports it. This way, your PC storage space won't be filled up with large files. Export videos at lower resolutions. If you're editing videos in high resolution, consider exporting them at a lower resolution or with a lower bitrate. This reduces the file size and helps limit storage usage on your PC. Adjust media folder location. If you prefer to keep your media files separate from Clipchamp's default storage location, you can move them to another drive or folder with more space. You can adjust the file location settings in Clipchamp if available. And that is everything you need to know about how to limit Clipchamp storage usage on your PC. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.